Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make slime. You need something to mix in. Something to mix with. Milky shampoo. And two kind of jelly shampoo. This is one and this is the other. Both of them are from Hotels. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, put in your milky shampoo. Like the milky shampoo is slimy but super sticky, so you're adding those two kind of shampoos to make it well. So from the first one, you just need to add a bit. Like the first one is a bit jelly. A bit sticky, but it's jelly. I forgot from where it does come from. Oh no! That just flew on me. That was bad. That was bad. So I'm just going to pause the video to clean all around and come back. So yeah, I'm back. So yeah, already I've added a little bit. So mix it and you find the consistency like jelly and goopy. So the slime get a good color. Baby orange. Do you see it? Then now, put from the super jelly one end, which is not sticky. And mix it all up. Not sticky. Not sticky, just oh yeah, it does. Because you keep on mixing it, because if you don't want to add more shampoo to your mixtures. So yeah, I know that I'm a little bit silent. So it didn't stick. Just a tiny bit of the super jelly one and the one which is not sticky. It sticks a bit, and like I'm scared because you know what happened the last time. Okay, fine. I think I've added a little bit more. That's okay. Wow, did you see this? It's changed obviously to a best slime ever. Okay, so now it doesn't stick at all. Even it's like you're playing with the real one. Okay. So, I think you can see it. So, thank you guys for watching and see you in another video of slime making or DIY. I don't know, I'm into slime a bit more than anything else because I love slime. Like, who doesn't? I'm gonna try to pick it up. So yeah, I don't say that you could pick it up. You could play with it with the stick and tap on it because it doesn't stick when you tap on it. Wait. See, could be. Uh-oh, there's hair. A hair in the slime. Bad. You saw how it's scoopy. And if you want, you could freeze it for 5 minutes or put it in the fridge for 5 hours. Always using tissues, and yeah, don't pick it up, don't. So it's in my bush. I'm adding a little bit, but you don't need to. So obviously my slime is ready. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you in another video. Don't forget to comment down below, like down below, and subscribe to my channel and tell me what kind of videos do you want to watch. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!